Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to download Tapswap. So let's get into the video. So on your device here, open up the Play Store, or you can also or your Apple Store, whichever depending on your device. Simply type on Tapswap, and then when you click on Tapswap here, so open up the Tapswap app here. So all I have to do is simply, since I've already installed it, so I have that option to download, all I have to do is click on download. When you click on download and then just hit on the install option, and that will install the Tapswap on your device. And then all you have to do right now, once you've installed it, so simply open it up. So open up Tapswap, and then what you have to do now, you'll get to this screen here. So if you have an account, you can simply log in with your account details, or else you can just create an account with your phone number. All you need is just your phone number, and then you can create a passcode, and then that's it. You'll be able to log in and then start using the app, and that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.